Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted a simple way to sync up your Google Contacts with your Google Sheets, you're absolutely in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to integrate Google Sheets with Google Contacts so you can manage, analyze, or even back up your contacts with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, repeatable process for pulling in your contacts straight into a spreadsheet. Let's jump right in. First things first, we're going to need a handy tool called Sheet Director. Now, if you haven't heard of it before, Sheet Director is a powerful Google Sheets add-on that connects your spreadsheets to a ton of external services, including Google Contacts, without a single line of code. So let's make sure you've got it set up. Go ahead and open your Google Sheet, then up at the top, click on Extensions and choose Add-ons. In the search bar, type Sheet Director and install it from there. This part might take a minute or two, especially if it's your first time adding an extension. Don't worry if you get a security prompt, just follow the instructions to allow access. After it's installed, you're ready for the magic to happen. Next, let's actually launch Sheet Director. So once again, head up to Extensions, but this time you'll see Sheet Director listed right there. Hover over it and click Start. This opens up the Sheet Director sidebar, which is where we're going to set all the integration pieces in motion. It usually pops up along the side of your sheet. If you don't see it right away, give it a second. Sometimes it just needs a little encouragement to appear. Inside Sheet Director, you'll see an option to select a service. Click on that and choose Google Contacts. Right below, you'll need to give your integration a name. This can be anything you like, really, something like Import Contacts or Family Contacts List to help you remember what this integration is for, especially if you ever set up more than one in the future. Now you'll want to select the specific operation you want to perform with Google Contacts. In this case, set the service to get contacts, since we're bringing information from Google Contacts into Sheets instead of the other way around. This tells Sheet Director, hey, I want to pull in my contacts data. Next comes one of the most crucial steps, picking the fields you want to import. You'll see options like family name, email address, phone number, maybe even company or job title. It's a bit like picking what columns you want in your spreadsheet. Think about what information is most important to you. For example, if you're organizing a mailing list, you'll need email addresses. If you're following up with clients, phone numbers might be essential. Just tick the boxes for each field you want included. And as a bonus, Sheet Director lets you add a filter. So if you only want contacts with, say, a company field filled out or those in a certain group, you can narrow things down right here. Don't stress if you're not sure what to filter by, you can always update it later. Now let's decide where these contacts will land in your spreadsheet. Under Destination Settings, pick which sheet or tab you'd like to use for displaying the imported data. This is helpful if you use your workbook for many different things, so you don't accidentally overwrite any other info. Finally, it's time for the real action. Hit Execute and Sheet Director will connect behind the scenes, pulling your chosen contacts data into your selected sheet. Depending on how many contacts you have, this part might take a few seconds to a minute, just be patient. When it's done, you'll see clean, organized rows of your contact info ready to analyze, backup, or share. That's all there is to it. Integrating Google Sheets and Google Contacts is a breeze with Sheet Director. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a like and feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more smart tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.